Some inventions change the world. Others, they quietly revolutionize the way we live without us even realizing it. In this video, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing inventions you probably never knew existed, but once you do, you'll wonder how the world got by without them. This concrete literally repairs its own cracks, thanks to bacteria that activate when water seeps in. Roads, bridges, and buildings could last decades longer with this one genius tweak. This device pulls clean drinking water straight from the air, using only solar energy, even in desert climates. Imagine what this means for areas with limited water access. They sit deep inside your ear canal, completely out of sight, and they automatically adjust to your environment. No more bulky, obvious tech. This is one invention that makes life easier and more confident for millions of people. Developed for regions without proper sanitation, these toilets don't use water, don't smell, and convert waste into usable fertilizer. Game-changing for remote or disaster-hit areas. Originally made for stroke recovery, these insoles now help anyone improve posture, detect falls, and even manage diabetes-related foot issues. This is clothing that adapts. Adjust your coat's warmth with your phone. Change its color with a tap. Even alert someone if you fall. These windows use active noise cancellation, like high-end headphones, but for your home. City noise? Gone. People who can't speak or move are using brainwave-powered devices to communicate, write, and even control smart homes with just their thoughts. As you ride, the bike purifies the air around you, making it better for everyone nearby. Biking and cleaning the planet at the same time? Yes, please. No plugs. No pads. This tech charges your phone or laptop from across the room, using low-frequency energy waves. It's like Wi-Fi for electricity. Let's quickly recap the 10 amazing inventions we uncovered today. Self-healing concrete, solar-powered water harvester, invisible hearing aids, waterless toilets, smart insoles, programmable clothes, noise-canceling windows, brain-computer interfaces, air purifier bikes, wireless charging at a distance. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know. We might dive deeper in a future episode. The world is full of wild, life-changing inventions we rarely hear about. So if you love discovering the future hiding in plain sight, this channel is for you. Which invention do you wish you had in your life right now?
Comment below.
Like if you learned something new, subscribe for weekly deep dives into the future of innovation. Share this with a curious friend. The best inventions aren't always loud, they're just quietly changing the world.